How to check Sunbucks balance? Follow these instructions. Download and install the Sunbucks PH app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store to begin tracking your balance easily. Open the Sunbucks app and log in using your registered mobile number or email linked to your rewards account. Tap the menu icon located on the top left or bottom right to access more account options and features. From the menu list, tap on My Account or Rewards to view your Sunbucks points and balance details. Wait a few seconds for the app to sync and display your current available balance and rewards info. Check your rewards dashboard for details like cash balance, points, and active promos available. To refresh your balance anytime, simply pull down on the screen or log out and log back into your account. Thank you for watching.